Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? I'm outside Home Depot today because I want to buy some plants. So I'm going to show you guys how to wear this mask that covers not just your nose and mouth, but also your hair from any possible contaminants in the air. And then if you have glasses at hand, it even protects anything from getting into your eyes. So let's go. So what you need for this is a long scarf. It doesn't need to be very wide. Actually, it shouldn't be too wide, otherwise it can get a little bit cumbersome. So what you're gonna do is just drape it over your head like so. Okay, and then you're gonna take it behind your ears. You're gonna leave one side short and one side long. Okay, the long side is then going to go over your mouth and nose. It's gonna stay tucked behind your ear, go over your mouth and nose, and then under your second ear. And then you're gonna take the shorter side and then go over this longer side again. Okay, and this time you're gonna take the two ends, the longer end and the shorter end, and you're just gonna tie it to one side. Just gonna tie like a double knot. And then you have like multiple layers over your nose and your hair, right? And then whatever is the leftover, just tuck into your jacket or something and it's covered. Then if you have any extra pair of glasses, just tuck them in. You can pull in this part as far as down as possible, and then you go. You're completely protected. You know, your hair is protected, maybe not your ears, but everything else is pretty much protected. We used to do this when we used to drive in India. I used to ride two-wheelers in my town. That was the most common. And whenever you were traveling on two-wheelers, we would do this to protect ourselves from the pollution. So there you go. Simple. Completely covered. By the way, once you're in the store, don't touch the outside of your mask, because when you are in that surrounding, it's considered contaminated. If you touch the outside of your mask, make sure to sanitize your hands before you touch your face or eyes. And yeah, just come to your car, take the scarf off, and then put it in wash. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.